What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I got an unboxing and first impressions video. Yes, not a review video. I'm still working on the Lucid Sound LS35X and my HyperX Cloud Alpha gaming headset reviews. Now, I did shoot those videos before, but that was before that whole mess that happened a few weeks ago. I'm reshooting them now. The thing is, I got this in the mail. I wanted to open this up and test these out right away. So this is just the first impressions, okay? Not a review. All right. Can you folks in here? I got a new headset. Folks know from my last video, my Sennheiser shotgun mic passed away. Okay, 4.5 years and it died. The thing is, user error. I dropped it. It's on me. That was on me. So as of right now, I picked up a cheap old shotgun mic here. Toss that box away. That's what you're hearing now. So if the audio sucks, blame that shotgun mic and blame me for being cheap. Okay, so unboxing. All right. So I got this thing from Amazon. Picked it up on Prime Day. I got it at a pretty good price. All right. Now when this headset came out, it was like full price. It was like $200. Okay, something like that. $199. Then it dropped to like $149 like a year ago, or 6 months or a year, something like that. But on Prime Day, I got it for $99. All right, and that's shipped. Now, the box isn't anything special, okay? But these headphones, I guarantee you are. All right, just by word of mouth, watching YouTube review videos. Flossie Carter really sold me on these videos, on this headset. Okay, folks know who Flossie Carter is. I follow that dude. That dude's awesome. Go check him out. Okay. But I picked up these Aiwa Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones. These are the Arc-1 E, I think. That's what it's called, Arc-1. There's a difference because you'll see on Amazon it has Arc-1 and Arc-1 E. Now I think the Arc-1 E has like the case and stuff, extra stuff along, and the Arc-1 is just the headset itself. Now I could be wrong. I might be getting those mixed up, but yeah, these are the Aiwa Arc-1 Bluetooth headphones. Now let me read off some specs real quick. You got Bluetooth 4.2. You also got what do you call that? Heavy duty travel case. You got a nylon wrap micro USB data cable, nylon wrap 3.5mm audio cable, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, battery life. You got 20 hours of playback, 800 hours of standby. It's got aptX, aptX LL, SBC, AAC. So it's sporting some decent specs here, okay? Sporting some decent specs. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Where's the tape? Tape right there. I don't have nothing to cut it with. I know, I'll use my Sennheiser 3.5mm jack thing because why not? I mean, it's broken, right? Okay. I got it open. I didn't. It doesn't work. Jump cut. Alright, I got that open. I did rip the box though, unfortunately, but it's alright. I don't plan on returning this. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to return it because I'm going to like it. That's how good, I'm confident I am these headphones, how good these headphones are. So that's in the box. And that's pretty much nothing else. Nothing else in there. Let's go ahead and open these up. Here we go. Da 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 da. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Folks, see that? Okay, that's the headphones itself. All right. Here's the extra stuff. You got some books. You got some stickers. Some Arc-1 customer. You got a sticker here. You got, and here are your cables. Ooh, I like the red cable. That looks pretty solid. And you got a 3.5mm jack there. Cable. Now, the headset itself, now for being $100, okay, keep in mind regular price is $150, okay. Build quality looks pretty good. Look at this leather band on top. Look at that. Can you see that? Okay, leather. The cushion on the top is okay. It's not really thick cushion, but it's cushion nonetheless. This part, I think this is aluminum. Or it could be just really thick plastic or plasticky feeling metal. I don't know if that makes sense. But as for the headsets themselves, they do sport a premium feel. okay, and they do adjust. You pull them down, pull them up. Kind of stiff though. And the ear cups are kind of eggish shaped. They're kind of. Let me go ahead and test them out. And yeah, there they go. They fit pretty good. They're nice. They're light. And they're pretty much stable for the most part. You might be able to do workout with these, but I wouldn't recommend it. Okay. Now these headphones, they don't support any type of noise canceling and stuff or whatnot, because I don't know. They just don't. All right. Not everything has to be about noise canceling, and I don't care about noise canceling. All right. I just care about sound quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these paired up, and I'm gonna do a little jump cut right here. All right, folks. I went ahead and got it paired to my Moto Z3 here, and I am gonna go ahead and test them out. It's got a nice fit. Okay. It kind of fits my head perfect. I got a medium-sized head. Now, if you got a bigger head, this might be a little problematic for you. But it does adjust, okay? The headbands do adjust. And the ear cups form a decent seal when you put them around your ear, okay? So everything gets a little bit more quiet when you stick them on because it forms that seal. Now, let's go ahead and hear what everyone's been talking about, raving about these headsets. Because a lot of people that I know are raved about this headset. Alright, so let me go ahead. Where is it? Where's my usual? Okay, here we go. Oh. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's try another song. Alright, let's see. Not bad. Let's try a song with vocals now. Let me see. I used Robin last week, so I gotta pick something else this time. Where's my list? I don't want to accidentally play some type of oh, here we go. Let's go try this. I know this. Whoa! Listen to this with Enviro. I got sidetracked. Okay, I was supposed to find a song with vocals, but man, I put that song on. I could hear it. It was pretty good. Go some Janji. Man, this headset is phenomenal. Okay, right off the bat, is it worth that $99 price? Okay, as soon as I tried it, I think it is. Now, is it worth that $150 price? If it goes back to up $150, now that's debatable. All right, but the highs, they're nice, crisp, they're clear. Okay, you can hear all the vocals come through, especially with Janji, and especially if you're playing good music files, like at least at like a WAV files and up, these sound really good. All right, and the mids, they're pronounced. They're not like recessed. You can actually hear decent mids. Now you got decent pronounced mids with a nice clear highs, and it's got a deep clean bass to it. Okay, not thumpy, not distorty. Okay, it doesn't distort at full volume. A nice deep clean bass. You add those three together, you got a nice balanced sound. Okay, sounds really good for what I paid for. I am totally not regretting the $99 I spent on this. I'm happy. Okay, happy Prime Day, yay! And I think, like I said, if you just want the headset itself, I think it's $99 just by itself, because I don't think it's on sale anymore. And if you want the whole package, you get this hard carrying case and whatnot, the couple extra stickers and stuff. Those, I think it costs $149. So it's up to you. I'll leave both links to this headset down below in the the about section. And when you do have time, please go ahead and check out those links and check out my links down below, because all of those things help this channel, help me invest more into this channel. Whatever I get from those links, okay, whatever kickbacks I make, because 95% of the products that I do reviews on comes out of my own pocket. All right, like all of this is all mine. I bought all of this. So, but yeah, let me know what you folks think. You folks have the Aiwa Arc-1 headphones. If you guys, I reckon most of you or some of you already do, because it's been out for a while, 2017. But I wanted to give it a shot, and they sound phenomenal. I'm totally happy with it. Let me know what you folks think. It's Guddang775. I hope you folks like this video. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. This is Guddang775, aka Sully, just a mama boy in Texas. Peace out.